Feels like it. Oh, yes. Big old perch. Right.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a set. Dude, no freaking way. Oh my god. Let's go. Set. Right next to each other. Oh my god.
We woke up early this morning to go on a 3-hour road trip east to Iowa River to try to catch some walleyes to eat. But you can't complain if you catch some wipers or smallmouth bass that are hard fighting fish. Sadly, a cold front rolled in and it's supposed to be windy, so it could be harder to catch fish. But you can't catch fish sitting on your couch, so we're gonna try to go out and catch some fish and we'll see what happens. We'll see you out on the river.
Let's hope the drags are screaming. And then in the middle of talking, one of them goes like, ha 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 ha.
It's not fun making fun of this white people. I just wonder if like down the river is good too.
I know. It's the same current as this right here.
I don't know what they want. Like that kid told me along by the dam is the best, but you'd think they would be all the way down the river. You know, like swimming around. I haven't seen anybody catch one except for that guy caught a small one.
You put it back?
Yeah.
That guy had 4.
Huh?
That guy had 4.
4?
4.
He had one like our size.
Wipers, all wipers. I wouldn't be against catching some white bass.
That's what I figured. I mean, we got all day, and tonight we don't have like a time limit. We might go to Anamosa and try to catch some smallmouth today too. But I figured while we're here, we might as well try. We've got a decent spot on it. It's not like we're further down. My sister said she wants to come shoot some pigeons for her.
I'll do that.
She can't shoot a barn.
I'll do that.
You know where the horses are out there?
Oh, that? Yeah, I'll shoot
There
them.
are like 6 of them out there. You just can't shoot a barn.
Are they eating their grain or something?
No, they're pooping in our barn.
Okay. Tell me when and I'll go shoot them.
You can make a video of that. Pigeon patrol. Got one. Don't step on his. You want it? You sure? Okay. Are these you? Okay. Thanks. You want to take a picture of it? First one. Holy smokes. Look what that thing did to my hook. Want some help? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Oh, he just came off.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Good job.
They don't have
Come on, don't lose it. Hey, don't pull it, don't pull it.
Keep it tight the whole time.
He's coming. Yeah, mine's on. Hey, maybe he should come out over here.
No, I don't want to. I'm feeling spot in the water.
Yeah, there's a rock right there.
Oh, it's a good one. Good, Dylan. Good one. Good job. Here, through.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's why he keeps attention on the whole time. Nice one.
Did he lose off the...
Yeah.
Yeah, I just came off.
Pick him up. Good one. He hit right when it got to the water?
Yeah, I really just went to freaking career.
Good work. That's nice. They fight hard though, don't they?
Yeah.
Buffalo. No, little one. Good job. That one you don't need a net for.